If what you are looking for is a hotel that is ideally situated in Paris, look for Hotel Premier Classe Roissy Villepinte Parc. From here, guests can enjoy easy access to all that can be found in this active city. Visitors to the hotel can take pleasure in touring the city's top attractions: Charles de Gaulle Airport, Parc des Expositions du Bourget. At Hotel Premier Classe Roissy Villepinte Parc, every effort is made to make guests feel comfortable. In this case, the hotel provides the best services and facilities. While lodging at this wonderful property, guests can enjoy 24-hour front desk facilities for disabled guests, Wi-Fi in public areas, car park, restaurant. Guests can choose from 154 rooms which are all equipped with a calm and harmonious atmosphere. In addition, the hotel has a wide selection of recreational facilities that ensure you do various things during your stay. Whatever the purpose of your visit, Hotel Premier Classe Roissy Villepinte Parc is an excellent choice for your stay in Paris.